Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to give a high level overview of the security and data access in Salesforce. When speaking with many Salesforce newcomers, this topic often seems to be the most difficult to understand. I myself found it very confusing and it took me a while to learn. The resource I'm showing right now, I found to be very helpful in visualizing the security model. As you can see from this upside down pyramid, data access in Salesforce can be influenced by many things. Within the pyramid are the different security mechanisms that allow you to open up access to users that would not otherwise have access to something. I'm going to create future videos for each of these mechanisms individually, but in this video, I just wanted to briefly explain what this upside down pyramid represents. At the base of the pyramid, we have profiles and permission sets where you can determine which objects a user can see and also determine if they have read only, create, edit, and or delete permissions for that object. Every user setup in Salesforce is required to have an assigned profile. The security model is most strict at the base, and as you can see with these arrows, from the base, you can open up further access by setting up things such as org-wide defaults, role hierarchy, sharing rules, manual sharing, team access, and territory hierarchy access. Again, the further you go up the pyramid, the more access you can open up through each of those security mechanisms. However, it's important to note that even though that this arrow is pointing down, that doesn't mean that these things can also restrict access. In fact, none of these things can restrict access except for profiles and org-wide defaults. Profile restrictions are related to object level access, and org-wide default restrictions are related to record level access. So that's all I had for this video. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to learn more about the various security mechanisms that we went over in this video, I'll be making a video on each of them in the near future, so keep an eye out for those. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you give it a like. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, I'd appreciate if you subscribed. Thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.